Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today's recipe we're going to be making one of my favorite pasta sauce. Here are all the ingredients we'll be using and I'll be sure to list them all in the description box. Okay, now guys, to make this recipe I'm going to be using half large onions and I'm gonna chop that up into small sizes, and in a pan I'm gonna boil up some water and cook my pasta according to the manufacturer's instruction. You can use any pasta of your choice. In another pan I drizzled in some oil and allowed that to preheat, and then I added some minced garlic which I sauteed for about 30 seconds, and then I added in my chopped onions and I sauteed this together for about a minute and a half to allow the onions to release its flavor and aroma. Please cook on a medium heat. Okay, now I've went ahead to add in the minced beef and I'm gonna break that apart. Now guys, you can season this with whatever you like, but I seasoned with some black pepper, chili flakes, some paprika, seasoning salt, and some thyme. If you want it very spicy, you can also add hot pepper in there just to customize it as you like. And now we're gonna mix this up and we're gonna continue breaking it down because we don't want it to be in big chunks. Okay, you want to try your best to break this down as much as possible, and we're going to stir fry until all the redness goes away, just like so. Now we're going to get a little bit of our pasta water. Yes, pasta water, and we're going to add it in there and allow that to bubble up for a little while. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to everybody that has been coming back to watch my videos. If you're a returning viewer, thanks for stopping by again. If you are a new viewer, thanks for stopping by today. Thank you so much. Now guys, we're going to cover that and allow it to bubble up, and then we're going to add in our pasta sauce. Yes, the tomato pasta sauce. Now we're going to mix everything nicely well. Taste and adjust your seasonings if needed. Okay, I went ahead to add a little bit more of seasoning salt because mine needed more seasoning salt. Now guys, depending on how you want the consistency to be, you can add more water or you can just leave it like so, and then stir everything nicely well. Cover the pot and allow that to bubble up properly, and your spaghetti sauce is ready. You can use this sauce for spaghetti or any other pasta that you wish. And guys, I love this because it's so easy and quick to make and then enjoy with your pasta. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Bye guys.